On the week commencing the 13th of May next year, your child will be sitting the Key Stage 2 SATs. These will involve 2 grammar, punctuation and spelling papers on Monday, an English paper on Tuesday, a maths reasoning and a maths arithmetic paper on Wednesday, and then finally a second maths reasoning paper on Thursday. Phew. The results from these papers will affect your child's predicted grades for GCSE, so it will be important that your child shows all of their potential. It may feel early, but the time to start preparing for these tests is today. Our top 3 tips are: 1. Make sure that you have downloaded and printed out the previous year's SATs papers. You can find these on the government's website, and even better, they are completely free. Pick a day that you and your child have some time and do a few of these questions every week. 2. Engage with your child's school and make sure that you know where they are weak and what resources you will need to fill these gaps. Your school will have assessed your child and will know exactly where you should focus. 3. Join us at Drake and Uni. Our resources are built around the skills your child will need. We have a weekly SAT-Star review, so you can not only see your child's weaknesses, but how to fill these gaps and, most importantly, improve their confidence.